Imagine being a part of one of India's most successful companies in the healthcare industry. A company that's been around for over 3 decades, and has grown into a powerhouse with a market capitalization of over $1.7 trillion. But what makes Divi's Laboratories Limited so special? Let me tell you. They're a leading manufacturer and supplier of generic active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates, and nutraceuticals in India, North America, Asia, Europe, and internationally. These aren't just any ordinary products, my friend. Divi's is also a pioneer in custom synthesis contract manufacturing services of APIs and intermediates, supplying a range of carotenoids like beta-carotene, astaxanthin, lycopene, and canthaxanthin to food, dietary supplement, and feed manufacturers. And they even export their products. But what really sets Divi's apart is its commitment to innovation and quality. With 9,741 employees across the globe, they're dedicated to providing top-notch services to clients in various industries. From pharmaceuticals to nutraceuticals, they've got it all covered. Now, let's talk about their financial performance. As of my last update, Divi's Laboratories Limited has generated impressive revenue growth, with a profit margin of 23.69%. They've also paid out dividends, which is always a plus. When it comes to valuation, Divi's is priced at around $15 per share, making them one of the most expensive stocks in India right now. However, their market capitalization is over $1.7 trillion, so that doesn't necessarily mean they're undervalued. But what really matters is how Divi's performs on a relative basis. Their price-to-book ratio is around 12.16, and their debt-to-equity ratio is just 0.06. That's quite impressive. So why should you care about Divi's Laboratories Limited? Well, for one thing, they're a leader in the healthcare industry, with a reputation for quality and innovation. They also have a strong track record of paying dividends, which can provide a steady stream of income for investors. In short, Divi's is a solid choice for anyone looking to invest in India's top healthcare company. With its impressive financials, innovative products, and commitment to quality, they're definitely worth considering. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.